Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Teka HA840 oven is locked and you're unable to open or use it, don't worry, this is a very common situation. Many users think the oven is stuck or broken, but in most cases, it's simply the child lock or safety lock feature that has been activated. This feature is designed to prevent accidental use, especially in homes with kids, but it can feel confusing if you don't know how to turn it off. The best thing is that unlocking your oven is quick and easy once you follow the right steps, and you'll be back to cooking in no time. Try these. Step 1. Check the display for a lock symbol or indication. Step 2. Press and hold the lock or key button on the control panel. Step 3. Hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds until the lock turns off. Step 4. If it doesn't unlock, try holding the stop or cancel button. Step 5. Turn the oven off and on to reset the controls. Step 6. Test the controls to confirm the oven is fully unlocked.